What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, as you can see, we're back out in the woods with the WJ, filming another episode of WJ versus everything. Today, we're putting it up against Austin's YJ.
Hey guys, I'm Austin. This is my 1987 Jeep YJ. Has a V8 350 small block in it. It's on 1 tons, 4 lockers front and rear, 488 gearings, which I do want to go to a little bigger gears. I wouldn't mind. They're okay. Highway speeds, but has a diesel transmission, NP 4500, so it's pretty torquey. It has a low gear also, so that really helps with my Atlas transfer case that I have, a 5-to-1 gear ratio. So crawls pretty slow. It's actually annoyingly slow. It's how slow it crawls. It's kind of hard to keep up with Josh. It's annoying at times. It can be like it is.
So you guys know how this works. After the first one, if you guys watch that, 3 obstacles, 3 different challenges, you get a point, whichever one does best in the obstacles. So we're going to go through the 3 and see which one wins. Comment down below, do you think it's going to be the WJ or Austin's YJ? All right, guys, so we're at the first obstacle that we're going to compare the 2 Jeeps at, and that would be the log course. So basically, just a long course over these logs. However, they're all covered in moss and all that kind of stuff, so they're super, super slick. So we're going to take the Grand Cherokee first, then follow it up with the Wrangler, see how they compare, and take your comments down below which one you think is going to win this episode. Do you think it's going to be the Grand Cherokee or the Wrangler? Comment down below. I don't know what you think, but I definitely didn't slip here, so we're gonna have to give that round to the Grand Cherokee because Austin slipped and got a little bit stuck. So do you think you won?
I think so.
See, I don't think you did because you spun.
Actually, I spun. Oh, they're a little caked up, okay?
Yeah, but that's the failure of the Jeep.
All right, well, what's next?
Those radars don't seem to be caked up. So next is gonna be we're gonna have to go through the swamp.
Through the swamp?
Yeah. So after the logs, the WJ is 1-0. Now we're gonna head over to the swamp, and you guys know the swamp is super deep, super mucky. So I don't know how the WJ is gonna do because this thing just keeps getting dug out and dug out. So it's way deeper than it was before. So let's see how it does. We're gonna do the same path we did last time, down through here, around that little island thing, and out the other side. It gets super deep over there on the side. So we'll see how it does. We're gonna have Cameron record. I'll go first, and then we'll have Austin go through. Austin's turn. Let's see how he does. So I'm going to give the swamp round to Austin because WJ just didn't really do perfect in the swamp. So we'll give that one to Austin. So we're tied 1-1. Going to do the last obstacle, which is going to be flexing and articulation. So let's head out to the hills and see which one will flex better. Now do the front over here. Now that all 3 different rounds are complete, it's kind of come down to time to decide. So this was actually a super close comparison. Both Jeeps did great, and this was way closer than the first episode of the WJ versus my JKU. That being said, this little slip up for the YJ on the logs, I think costed the competition. We've all discussed it, and we think the Grand Cherokee won the 3rd round, meaning the Grand Cherokee won 2-1. Same score it actually came to in the previous episode as well. Now this was pretty shocking to me. I honestly did think the YJ was going to win, but it was super close, and both Jeeps did great. Honestly, it's a fairly even competition all around. Now, if you guys do enjoy this kind of content, let me know down in the comments, because this is actually kind of really fun content to make. Competing with some friends' builds and just seeing what all the Jeeps can do off-road. I think it's really cool. So let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoy this kind of content. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
What is up, guys? Rocky Off-Road here.